Hi everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today we're installing 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLC. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the system and the feature that come with the system. Okay, originally it come with 8.4 inch screen, and this is 10.25 inches. Okay, high definition screen. We also carry the 12 inches as well. Okay, let's talk about the hardware specification of the system first. This one comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset. It also supports the 4G LTE. And it also comes with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of the storage memory. You can also upgrade the memory. And this one also fully compatible with all the original feature, like the Mercedes-Benz software, original 360-degree camera, and original sound system as well. Okay, so even if your car comes with the Burmaster's premium sound system, it's fully compatible. All right, so it also fully compatible with the command knob. You can use this command knob to control the screen. Okay, the rotary knob. Okay, you can also use this one to control everything on the screen. All right, so it's very nice. Okay, and let's talk about the original system first. Okay, this is the original manual. All right, so everything is fully compatible. All right, so it's very nice. And this system also comes with 1970 by 720 high definition screen. It also comes with the blue anti-glare coating here, so you will eliminate the reflection, okay, reflective light from the sunlight. Okay, so basically let's start from the navigation first. This navigation is you can also set up this system comes with 3 different navigation software. Okay, it comes with the built-in navigation software and the Waze and the Google Map as well. Okay, depends on which one you prefer. Okay, let's talk about the original navigation first. Okay, the original navigation is offline. You don't need any Wi-Fi to use the navigation, okay, because it's offline. Okay, in order to use the navigation, you basically just need to click on the bottom right corner here and new road address, and you can enter the address right here. All right, pull down a little bit from the top, then you can go back to the home menu, and you can also connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot on the cell phone. All right, so just pull down a little bit, and then you can hold the menu, hold the Wi-Fi icon. Once you turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot, you can connect to the Wi-Fi. And once you connect to the Wi-Fi, you can use many of the features like the Google Map. Let's talk about the Google Map first. This is the newest version of the Google Map. Okay, basically you just need to this one also comes with the offline feature. What that means, you can download the map data to the unit, so you don't need to turn on the Wi-Fi next time when you use the Google Map. How to do that? Just click on the icon over there and go to offline map here. We already download the whole map here. So basically it's just around 300 megabytes, but because this system comes with 64 gigabytes, more than enough. All right, so right now you can use the Google Map and without connecting to Wi-Fi. It also comes with voice control. For example, click on this icon, bring me to gas station.
Head west toward Birchmount Road.
All right, it's very nice. All right, you also come with picture-in-picture. All right, so and you can also go to the internet browser right here. You can also access to the internet. You can also use your command knob to control the screen. It's very nice. Okay, you can also read the news and go to the internet. And click on the home button, you will go back to the main menu. We will preload the YouTube, Spotify, and also the Waze for you as well. Okay, so it depends. This is the YouTube right here. You can also update the YouTube. It also comes the Netflix. Okay, if you have the Netflix account, you can also watch the movie here. It also comes the video in motion for the passenger, not for the driver. So you while you are on the road trip, your passenger can also watch the movie here. All right, so it's very nice. And of course, you can also download the movie to the USB. For example, click on this one, and then you can download the movie.
Under necessary shock to the system. I am human evolutionary change. Bulletproof.
It's very nice. Okay, the screen resolution actually is excellent. You can also download any of the application to the system as well. Once you're not into the Google Play Store, you can download the Facebook, Instagram, any software to the system. All right, so basically it's a tablet. All right, so it also comes the dashboard here. So basically you can, when you step on the gas, this one will show up on the screen. Let's try it. It's very nice. And this one also supports the backup camera, original backup camera. Because we open the door, so we can see let me close the door first. As you can see, everything is fully compatible. Okay, you also support the 360-degree camera right here. Alright, and other than that, you can also change the color here on the dashboard. Depends on your personal preference to match with your ambient light. It's very nice. Pull down a little bit, and then you can go back to the home menu. And then this is the newest version of the Mercedes-Benz software. You can see that you come with the background here, and when you play the music, the whole screen will show the picture of the album, you know. So it's very nice. Okay. Other than that, this one also supports the split screen. How to do that? Okay, first of all, you can also click on this one here, and then for example, you want to watch the movie on the left side, and use the navigation on the right hand side. It's very nice.
The mission has been compromised.
Okay, and then you can close it, and then you can make it to full screen. So I'm gonna show you how to use the Apple CarPlay right now. Okay, this system actually come with the wireless Apple CarPlay. This is the newest version. It also support the iOS 15. As you can see, this is the newest software here. You can check it's 3.2.2. And how to use the Apple CarPlay? Basically, you just need to bring out your cell phone, all right, and then go to the Bluetooth here. Remember to unpair with the original Bluetooth first, okay? If you pair with any of the original Bluetooth, you need to unpair it first, okay? Go to home, okay? You need to search the device name GLC SDK on your phone, connect, and then enter password 0000, pair. Perfect. Once it gets paired, then you can go back and then turn on the app C-Link. And then wait a little bit for the first time, and then grant the authorization, use CarPlay. If your phone is iOS 15, you might need to do one more step, and then go to setting, go to Wi-Fi. Okay, you can see that under the Wi-Fi menu here, you will have the Android AP. Click on that, manually connect it. And you can see low data mode. You need to turn off the low data mode. All right, perfect. Now you can see that it's Apple CarPlay. This Apple CarPlay actually is very nice. I'm gonna show you some of the features here. Okay, click on this one. It will bring you to the main menu right here. All right, it will bring you to the main menu right here. You can see that it's very nice. The background. You can also change the background here. You can also use the knob to control it. You can also check the WhatsApp message right here. And you also support the split screen here, all right? You can see that. And you can also play the music. All right. Other than that, you can also hold icon to activate the Siri. How to do that? Just click on this icon. What's the temperature today?
The high for today will be 13 degrees, and the low will be 8.
Siri is very nice, and you can also use this one to make the phone call. Bring me to the gas station.
Here's what I found.
Okay, perfect. As you can see, it's very nice. In order to go back to the original menu, you can just click on the car right here, and then you can go back to the home menu right here. It's very nice. You can also change the icon here because it's the newest version. Just click on the theme setting right here, go to the modern, and then you can see that all the icon has been changed. But a lot of people, they will prefer the classical one. You can change the background here. You can change to the wet background. You can, very nice, depends on your personal preference, all right? I'm going to talk about some of the settings on the system, and also now I'm going to show you how to turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot. Okay, because this is come with wireless Apple CarPlay, but wireless Apple CarPlay, they actually use the Bluetooth to pair at the beginning only. They don't use the Bluetooth to pair to transfer the data. Once they get paired, they will switch to the Wi-Fi at the background. Okay, so basically, now they are using the app wireless Apple CarPlay. They use the Wi-Fi here. Okay, so basically, so you can see the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi disconnected automatically once you connect to the Apple CarPlay. Now, for example, but Apple CarPlay will not allow you to watch the YouTube or Netflix, okay? How to watch the YouTube? Now you need to turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot on the cell phone. However, you cannot just unpair the Bluetooth. You need to go to your phone, search CarPlay. Okay, search CarPlay. Once you search CarPlay, you need to find the Bluetooth device of the device. It's because CJIN Nova. Click on this one, turn off CarPlay right now. Okay, now I'm gonna show you. You can also move this icon here. Do not uninstall it. Okay, sealing. Okay, you can turn off this one. Okay, now you disconnect this one, right? Now you can connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot. Turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot, and then you can watch the movie and watch the Netflix. It's very nice. One thing I would like to mention is this system does not come with an amplifier. How to produce the sound? They go through the auxiliary USB auxiliary adapter, which already included in the package. You don't need to purchase separately, so you just need to connect the auxiliary from the main harness to the USB adapter and leave it in the armrest, and then you can go to original menu here, go to media interface 1, and then click on OK, and then you can listen to the music. All right, so if you connect to the USB 2, then you will need to go to the USB 2 right here. All right, as long as you see the USB AUX, that means you activate the device successfully. Alright, and then you can listen to the music right here. This system can also be purchased from our website www.AutoTecPro.com. If you guys have any question about the system, please contact us AutoTecPro. We will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.